So one of the first things you need to do as soon as you get your JBL Flip 7 is to update the firmware. Now to do that, first of all, make sure you've connected your speaker to your phone via Bluetooth. And also you want to go a step further and get the JBL Portable app from the Apple App Store or from the Google Play Store. Okay, so launch the app, and as soon as you launch the app, you will see all your speakers. Here's my JBL Flip 7 already set up. And if you have a pending firmware update, you're going to see that there. Okay, so you can see a software update available. So you want to tap on that, and then it's going to tell you what's new. All you have to do now is tap on update. So just tap on update. It's going to download on your phone and send it to the speaker via Bluetooth. So just be patient. Don't move your phone away from the speaker. Just wait. So the speaker might make a sound or two during this process, so just be patient. It says estimated time remaining is 2 minutes, so just keep waiting. It's very important not to interrupt this process because you might cause problems with the software of your speaker. So once it's done, it will let you know update successful, you're all set, let's party. So that's it. So that's basically how to update the firmware of your JBL Flip 7. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us down in the comment section. Good luck.